Tired of juggling spreadsheets and losing track of important customer information? Want a streamlined way to manage your contacts and boost your business efficiency? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Xero, the cloud-based accounting software that's revolutionizing how businesses manage their finances. And specifically, we're going to show you how to create a new contact in Xero, a crucial step in keeping your customer data organized and accessible. Now, why is this important? Well, imagine trying to send an invoice without knowing your customer's correct address. Or worse, accidentally sending duplicate invoices because you can't easily find their contact information. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Xero eliminates these headaches by providing a central hub for all your customer and supplier information. This means no more messy spreadsheets, no more frantic searches, and no more lost time. So, let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the contacts page. First, you'll need to log in to your Xero account. Once you're in, navigate to the Contacts tab. You'll find this in the main navigation bar on the left-hand side of your screen. Step 2. Creating a new contact. Now, click on the New button. This will open a new window where you can enter all the relevant contact details. Step 3. Entering contact details. Let's break down the key fields. Name. Start by entering the full name of your contact. This could be a customer, a supplier, or any other entity you interact with. Contact type. Select the appropriate contact type from the drop-down menu. This could be a customer, a supplier, a bank account, or another option that suits your needs. Contact details. This is where you'll input all the essential information. Address. Enter their full address, including street address, city, state, and postal code. Phone number. Include both their mobile and landline numbers if available. Email address. Enter their primary email address. Website. If applicable, add their website URL. Tax number. If required for your region, enter their tax identification number, e.g., GST/VAT number. Step 4. Adding notes. Optional. Xero allows you to add notes to each contact. This is a fantastic feature for storing important information that might not fit into the standard fields. For example, you could note their preferred communication method, any special instructions for delivery, or any relevant past interactions. Step 5. Adding contacts to groups. Optional. To further organize your contacts, you can add them to groups. For example, you might create groups for high-value customers, local suppliers, or overdue accounts. This makes it incredibly easy to segment your contact list and run targeted campaigns. Step 6. Saving the contact. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click the Save button. Congratulations! You've successfully created a new contact in Xero. Extra tips. Import contacts. If you have an existing list of contacts in a spreadsheet, you can easily import them into Xero. This can save you a significant amount of time. Contact tracking. Xero provides valuable insights into your contact interactions. You can track invoices, payments, and communication history all within the contact record. Customize fields. Xero is highly customizable. You can add custom fields to your contact records to capture specific information relevant to your business needs. And there you have it. Creating new contacts in Xero is a simple yet powerful process that can significantly improve your business efficiency. By centralizing your contact information within Xero, you can streamline your workflow, reduce errors, and make better-informed business decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.